Hey crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Solana from Tangem Wallet to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. Whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into crypto or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. By the end, you'll be confidently moving your Solana assets like a pro. First things first, make sure you have both your Tangem Wallet and Coinbase Wallet apps installed and updated. This ensures compatibility with the latest 2025 protocols. Open your Tangem Wallet and log in securely using your PIN or biometric authentication. Next, switch over to your Coinbase Wallet. Navigate to the Receive section, select Solana as the asset, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip: double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes. It's easy to mix up characters. Now, head back to your Tangem Wallet. Select the Solana balance you want to transfer, then choose the Send or Transfer option. Paste the Coinbase Wallet address you copied earlier, enter the amount, and take a moment to review the transaction details, including any network fees. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll likely need to approve the transaction on your Tangem device for added security. Sit tight as the blockchain processes it. This usually takes just a few minutes, depending on network congestion. After the transfer is complete, open your Coinbase wallet and refresh the balance to confirm your Solana has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a little time and check the transaction history on a blockchain explorer like Solana's official site. A quick word of caution: always use the Solana mainnet to avoid lost funds, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to practice. There you have it, you're all set. Transferring Solana has never been easier. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.